Hello, boys and girls. It's Chinrad again, and today is National Unplugged Day. And I don't remember how I stumbled on it, but I've had some Jewish friends who have told me about this whole idea of a Shabbat, and certainly I have my share of religious people who take Sunday off, and the whole idea around taking a technology break kind of came into being last year. And sure enough, there's a woman by the name of Tiffany Schlain, and she champions this whole idea of a technology Shabbat, which goes from Friday sundown till Saturday sundown. And it's been an interesting journey. I've been wanting to do one of these Friday to Saturday things for many months, and I managed to do it last week, and I realized that it was my access to committing to sharing, for the month of March, this whole idea of being online, the man in the mirror for 3 minutes. I realized I could record something today and go on a Shabbat tonight, and I certainly invite everybody out there to do yours too, whenever sundown is your time. And if you happen to be on the other side of the world, just do it from Saturday to Sunday, and see what you find and experience. I don't think everybody's experience is the same, so I'm excited about it, and so I'll be unplugging. And a tidbit about yesterday, I had a conversation around the Shabbat, and this idea, if you're an extremist, flip the power breaker in your house. I personally am not going to do this. I have a fridge full of food, and I thought that I could give it all away, but it's actually got lots of yummy vegetables in it, and I wanted to make a vegetarian sauce that I love to make, and do some kind of fresh, all kinds of vegetable dishes. I have a lot of vegetables, so I think that's all I want to say. So if you decide to flip the circuit breaker and go literally off the grid, no car, and I would love to hear from you. Post a comment below. So have fun.